Here are the 10 most beneficial fruits for hair. 1. Avocado. Contains vitamin E and good fats. Helps moisturize, soften, and protect hair from breakage. 2. Strawberries. Contains high levels of vitamin C, which helps produce collagen, making hair strong and less prone to falling out. 3. Bananas. Contains potassium and silica to help hair elasticity and reduce split ends. 4. Papayas. Contains vitamins A and C to help maintain a healthy scalp and promote new hair growth. 5. Oranges. Contains vitamin C and magnesium, which help in the absorption of iron, which is essential for hair. 6. Pineapple. Contains vitamin C and manganese, which fight free radicals and protect hair from damage. 7. Guava. Contains vitamin C more than oranges, protects hair from breakage, and helps thicken hair. 8. Grapes. Contains resveratrol, which increases blood circulation to the scalp, helping to strengthen hair follicles. 9. Apples. Natural biotin promotes hair growth and prevents dandruff. 10. Kiwis. Contains vitamin C, E, and zinc to prevent hair loss and help keep hair color dark and shiny. Note: for best results, you should consume these fruits regularly along with drinking plenty of water and getting enough rest. Daily diet for strong hair. Meal plan. You don't have to eat them all in one day, but can alternate as follows. In the morning, eat 1 apple or 1 orange with breakfast to help your body absorb iron more effectively throughout the day. Midday, dessert. A few slices of kiwi or pineapple to aid digestion and provide vitamin C to the hair follicles. Afternoon, snack. Eat 1 banana or guava, helps refresh the scalp and reduce fatigue. Evening, fruit salad with avocado and grapes. Avocado provides good fats that help moisturize hair while you sleep. How to make hair masks from natural fruits. DIY hair masks. Making your own hair mask helps avoid chemicals and provides direct moisture to the hair fiber. Formula 1. For soft, smooth, and moisturized hair. Avocado plus banana. This formula is best for those with dry, frizzy hair and split ends. Ingredients: half a ripe avocado, 1 ripe banana, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. How to make: mix all the ingredients until smooth and apply to hair thoroughly, from roots to ends. Duration: leave on for 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse with shampoo. Formula 2. To reduce hair loss and cleanse the scalp. Strawberry. Vitamin C in strawberries helps eliminate excess oil and strengthen the scalp. Ingredients: 5 to 7 strawberries and 1 tablespoon of honey. How to make: crush strawberries, mix with honey, and apply to the scalp and hair. Duration: leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. Formula 3. For fast and shiny hair, papaya. Ingredients: 1 large slice of ripe papaya and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. How to use: mix well and apply to slightly damp hair. Duration: leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash your hair as usual. Additional techniques for maximum effectiveness: grind as finely as possible. When making a mask, grind the fruit as finely as possible to make it easier to rinse. Don't get crushed fruit on your hair. Scalp massage. When applying the mask, use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp for 5 minutes to improve blood circulation. Regularity. Apply hair masks 1 to 2 times a week.